Hi friends, myself Chavan and you are watching IAS AJC. In this video I am going to explain you what is UPSC examinations. What is UPSC? Union Public Service Commission. The age limitation for the UPSC examinations candidate attend the age of the 21. Candidate cannot attain the age of 32 years. General categories and have some more chances to write exam. For the OBC only 35 years. Minimum qualification for UPSC examinations: the candidate must hold a degree. Then they should apply for the preliminary examinations. After qualifying preliminary exams, they are eligible for the mains. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. In this channel only we can teach for the UPSC preparations only. So subscribe please.